With the last step to the left side, gentlemen lead the left hand slightly to the left and away from you forward. This prepares you for the next part. Shifting your weight to the right leg, lead the left hand between the two of you and put out your right hand low on your right side with your palm facing up. Left hand goes above the lady's head to rotate her, then down. Connect your feet, shift your weight to the left leg, bend your left knee slightly, keep holding both hands of the lady and reach with the right leg to the side without shifting your weight to it yet. After bending your left knee more, actively push off the left leg and shift your weight to the right one. Right knee is bent, keep your back straight and tilt your upper body to the right side, looking at the lady. Keep your right hand strong to support her back. While getting out of this pose, straighten your right leg and place the left one behind you close to the right one. Immediately start leading the lady to the left side and around you. Take a series of very small steps practically in one place just to be able to rotate up to the point when you face the audience again. Gentlemen, make sure to end this part standing on your right leg. Now the lady's perspective. With the last step to your right side, rotate your body a bit clockwise. This will make it easier to rotate counterclockwise during the following steps. Take a step with the left leg, place the left hand in the man's right hand, right leg, left one, continue the rotation, end up with your left side to the man on his right side. Bend both your knees, take a step backward with the right leg, right knee is bent, left leg is straight in front of you, direct your hips forward and up, and tilt your upper body and head backward. Then straighten your leg, take a step with the left leg, right one, and so on, walking around the man up to the point when you're facing the audience. End up with your weight on the left leg. Just to be sure, let's show this dip position from the opposite side as well. Side step with preparation, ladies counterclockwise rotation, bend your knees, go into the dip, out of it, leading the lady around the man. End up facing the audience. Okay, let's go back to our proper direction and we're going to count this part. 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.